welcome to the Science of Max Einstein Explained. I'm Tiffany, and I was just catching up on Max's adventures in Max Einstein, the Genius Experiment from James Patterson. Max is your average middle schooler who happens to have a mind like Einstein. She lives in New York City, so she's got the chance to ride the subway. On one of her trips, she observes Newton's first law of motion. What is that? Let's go find out. Now, Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest remains at rest unless acted on by an outside force. And if it's in motion, the object will remain in motion at a constant speed unless it's acted on by an outside force. Like, that's a sciencey way of saying that if something's moving in one direction, unless something happens to it, it'll always go in that direction. Take this truck. It's just hanging out here. Okay, truck, go ahead. Go. See? Nothing happened. The truck is at rest, and it'll remain at rest until it's acted on. Like this. It'll keep rolling till something stops it, like my hand. Don't forget that here on Earth we have friction. It's a force of two surfaces rubbing together. Different surfaces create different amounts of friction, and that friction can act on an object, slowing it down. In the case of the truck, the surface of the table rubs against the surface of the tires, slowing it down. This time when I push it, I'm going to let friction stop it for me. Ready? If you were in space, you wouldn't have to worry about friction as much. There, astronauts can truly see the effects of Newton's first law. This law doesn't just apply to things rolled across the surface, it applies to anything.
Hey, Tiff.
Huh? See? Those stars are traveling across the lab until an outside force, my body, stopped them. Now that's Newton's first law of motion.